Hello, now we are going to see one of KDC. KDC means Key Distribution Center, which is called Kerberos. Kerberos, it was developed in the year of 2000, where the key was shared among the users who have registered over the server. So, in this Kerberos, I want to give you the overview or the structure of how Kerberos works. If you see here, the user 1, Alice, and the user B, they want to communicate. But in order to communicate, there is one central server, which is Key Distribution Center. It contains two servers. One is AS, Authentication Server. Another one is Ticket Granting Server. In this AS, it contains or it knows all the password. It knows the password of all the users and store this password in a centralized database. Means all the users, not only Alice, any user, he must register himself or herself into AS, and the password is stored into the database, right? And then this one also, it provides the unique key with each server, all right? And when it comes ticket granting, first of all, what is a ticket? What is a ticket? A ticket, it is created once authentication server accepts a user, right? So this ticket contains user ID, it contains user ID and network address and the server ID in the ticket, right? So I repeat again, ticket contains user ID and the network address and the server ID, right? So now ticket granting server, it gives a ticket to the user who have been authenticated to IAS. So the user should be authenticated by IAS, and then ticket granting server give him a ticket. A ticket contains his ID or her ID and the network address, right? So each time the user requires access to a new service, the client applies to TGC using ticket to authenticate itself. So here, user 1, he requests ticket for TGC, and then the ticket is granted along with the session, and then he requests a ticket for Bob because he wants to communicate to Bob, and the ticket is granted. Now he sends the request access to Bob, and Bob accepted. So the main work is happening in this key distribution center. So this Kerberos, it has some requirement. This one, it should be secure, it should be scalable, it should be transparent, it should be reliable. Should be secure means that the information that's so secure, the external person cannot know the information of someone. Scalable, it can support the large number of clients and the server, no problem. Reliable, it should be trusted, right? It should be trusted and it should be available. Transparent, the user should not worry of his security because he believes and he is sure that everything, the password and the ID, they are set. And everyone who wants to communicate must have the password and the ID. Secure, reliable, scalable, transparent. These are the requirements of Kerberos. So this is the brief introduction, this is the brief explanation of Kerberos. Thank you.